Hi there. So, continuing the games from different parts of the world. So, right now we are going to talk about the game of Go, which is played mostly in China, Korea, and other Eastern Asian countries. So, this is a 19 cross 19 board that we have here, which is the most complex version of the game of Go, but which provides maximum fun amongst all the variants of Go. So we have the Go manual over here, and we have the Go board, and we have the tokens, the whites and the blacks. So this is a 19 cross 19 board. So there are 19 rows and 19 columns, and the main thing is the intersections, right? So how do we play the game of Go? So the black coins are 181 in number, and the white coins are 180 in number. Okay, so usually the black coin, the player playing the black coin goes first, followed by the white player. So they take turns to play, and placing the stones. The black stone should be placed on a intersection. Say, for example, this particular thing. So not necessarily this one, but like this. All these intersections. So the coin can't be placed either inside the block or maybe on the side of the line, or something like this. In the sense, it can't go out of the board. So it has to be placed on a intersection like this one. Okay, so once the black is played over there, the white is played here. And, so this is just the placing of the coins that we are seeing right now. Okay, so this is how you place those coins and start playing the game. So each stone here has what is called as liberties. So if I place a stone here, then the stone has 1, 2, 3, and 4 liberties. So if there are 2 stones which are placed sequentially, then this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 liberties. Similarly, if there are 3 stones, then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 liberties. So why are liberties important? That is because, say, for a particular stone, if the opponent has surrounded all its liberties, then the stone is captured. It goes out of the game. So that's the reason why liberties are very important. So now, say there are 2 stones over here, 2 black stones over here, and they will require both of them can be captured if the white stones have captured are placed on all their liberties. The basic objective of the game of Go is to capture as much space as possible. Say, for example, in this case, this whole space is captured by the white stones. So this means that the white stone has earned 1, 2, 3, 4 points in this particular case. So similarly, the black stones also have to start capturing places. So say, in this case, the black stones have captured 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 points in this particular case. So like this, each one has to capture. Whoever captures the maximum spaces in the board wins the game. So I can't place this stone here, because that would mean that this is automatically captured by the opponent pawns. So this has to be kept elsewhere. So how does a player win the game? So the player actually keeps on brings in all the 180 and 181 stones on the board. So, and while doing that, they need to capture the blocks, as we already saw. So after the entire this thing is captured, then you need to enumerate how many points you have earned by counting the number of blocks captured. Basically, this is 11 points plus 2 points. That makes it 13 points for the black pawn, and this would be 1, 2, 3, 4 points for the white player. So this actually continues in the sense until the whole this thing is completed, the entire board is completed. And finally, if you are playing the white pawn, you actually go second, and that is actually disadvantage for the white player. So that's the reason why you get extra of 6.5 or 7.5. So you have to agree upon this number during the initial when you start playing the game itself. So say here you have agreed to 7.5, then you calculate the total points, and then whoever has the highest number of points wins the game.